You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English, meaning anxiety or stress. In British English, it's pronounced as agita. Let's break it down. A-G-Ta. Stress on the first syllable. Agita in American English, in the US as opposed to the UK, it's usually said as agita. So the pronunciation is agita or agita. How to pronounce agita. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.